Hello everyone and welcome to Tweedy's Nest. Today I am going to read a book called Snore, and it is written by Michael Rosen and Jonathan Langley. So enjoy. Snore by Michael Rosen and Jonathan Langley. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep. Cat was asleep, cow was asleep, sheep was asleep, pig was asleep, and so were all the piglets. All was so peaceful till snore, and cat woke up, cow woke up, sheep woke up, pig woke up, and so did all the piglets. Snore. It was so loud no one could sleep. Not cat or cow or sheep or pig, nor all the piglets. Snore! How can we get dog to stop snoring so we can all get back to sleep, said cat. I know, said cow. And cow went up to dog and went, a tissue, right down his ear. Snore. I know, said sheep. And sheep went up to dog and went, boo, right down his ear. Snore. I know, said pig. And pig went up to dog and went, hee hee, right down his ear. And all the little piglets went, hee hee hee, snore. I know, said cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that will stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep. So cat went purr, snore, and cow went moo, snore, and sheep went baa, snore. And pig went oink, and all the piglets went grunt, 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 snore. Then as the sun rose over the trees, Rooster woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo, and Dog woke up with a harumph, and off he trotted down the road after his good night's sleep. But cat and cow and sheep and pig and all the little piglets were so tired they fell asleep. Snore, 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 snore. The end.